My name is Kaine Sultan-Babij. I am a descendant of the Aranda and Gurindji peoples of Central Desert. I am an Indigenous contemporary dancer, recently spent 7.5 years with Bangarra Dance Theatre, performing and travelling across the world and Australia, showcasing Indigenous contemporary and Torres Strait Islander stories. The work that I have created for the Art Right Light program is based on a caterpillar story from my own cultural heritage, the Aranda people. And the caterpillar represents birth, life, death, transformation and metamorphosis, which I think is very important when working with younger people especially. We hold a lot of mental barriers, and I think the caterpillar is a great metaphor for pushing past our own mental barriers and transformation.
As I entered my apartment, it was so wow. Most of her stuff was so arty, dancing and musical. She gently pulled me into her bedroom. As I entered it, there was a fluffy welcome mat.
On entering this room, what was noticeable was James' favourite t-shirt. He wore on this t-shirt his first protest against racism and inequality. The t-shirt has a quote. The quote is, "We are all equal."
I use a lot of words to make movement, using the poems or just parts of the poems or words or even the spaces between separate words. The students inspired me with their writing because it was so personal. You all played such a huge part in me making this. It gave me another kind of level of inspiration to take from.